Store offer. Shop the largest selection at the lowest prices guaranteed. The Veterans Day sale on now at Furniture Row.
Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News here on Fox 14. Our good friend Charlene Patton again, all the way back from Topeka. And of course, it's a pretty spooky day today.
It is.
And as such, first, we want to wish you safe travels. You got to be careful out there because you might encounter some goblins.
I might.
And it's kind of crazy because we're making goblin-filled cupcakes today.
And I'll have them in my car, so if I have a visitor,
boy.
I'll share some with them.
Okay.
And I'm going to share them with you today. I love this recipe. We're using a cake mix, so we still have time to do this today. But in the ingredients, and I'll show you here, we'll put that on the website, but we're using half a cup of tofu, and that replaces the eggs. So if there's anyone that isn't able to eat eggs, remember that you can do that with tofu, and it'll replace it.
I did not know that. Okay.
And then we're putting water in. Well, I guess it uses 2 eggs in this recipe, but you can replace it with the tofu.
Okay.
Okay, bake it just like you normally would with your directions.
Okay.
When it comes out, I used a spoon and made a hole down in there. That way we've got a place to put that filling. And then these are just decorator bags, and I've got the recipe for the gooey filling that we put in there. This is fun for kids because once you make it, it's white. Put it in some different colored bowls and you can make several different colors.
Okay.
Like, well, you have green. I've got kind of a fluorescent green down in there. We're just going to pipe it in there until it starts to come out the top. See that? There we go. And then we have frosting here, and I'm just going to frost it with the chocolate frosting that's going to cover that up. So then nobody's going to know what's in their cupcake.
Okay.
Until they bite into it. And then you can show yours, because I gave you one there.
Yes, and this one here has been opened up, and you can actually see what that filling looks like on the inside there. See how that goes down? So unless you get into it, you're not going to know what color you got anything like that. So it's a nice surprise.
And you can make it red, yellow, whatever you want to do. And then I've got some decorations here. I'm going to let you decorate however you want to. Have some eyeballs, have some festive little, I guess that's a skull, isn't it? Yes.
So we can do that and maybe throw some eyes onto this guy right here because he's watching.
Yes.
Okay, and he'll watch out for those other guys when you're traveling back and get back safe. He'll make sure.
That's right. So it makes 24 cupcakes, so you have plenty to give your trick-or-treaters or have your party before the trick-or-treaters come, and just an easy way to have some fun with Halloween today.
Absolutely, and the kids will love this as well, as you mentioned. So, of course, Charlene, if folks want to get this recipe, where do they need to go?
They should go to kansassoybeans.org, or they can call our 800 number at 877-KS-SOYBEAN. We'll mail them all the recipes. Plus, one more time, we'll mention that they get the added bonus this month of the National Festival of Bread's winning recipes from the Kansas Wheat Commission, because the Kansas Soybean Commission sponsored a special honorable mention award for the best soy ingredient. So they'll get
an
that
extra bonus this year, or this month. So make sure you check it out. And of course, if for any reason you missed any of that, do not worry. You'll find it all on our website as well at KOAMnewsnow.com. We've got a lot more spooky stuff coming up when the KOAM Morning News returns.